First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been, no. The way that things have been, no.
Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my CEO. The master of my CEO.
I was spoken from my young age, taking my soaking to the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing from my heart, from the pain, taking my message, from the veins, speaking my lesson, from the brain, seeing the beauty through that.
Babe, you make me a believer, believer. Babe, you break me down, you build me a believer, believer. Babe, oh, let the bullets die, oh, let them rain. My life, my love, my Johnny Depp. Babe, you make me a believer, believer.
Third things third, send your prayer to the ones up above. All the hates that they heard us, turn your spirit to a tabo. Your spirit up above.
I was joking in a crowd, letting my rain up in a cloud, falling like ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings to a down. But they never did, ebbing and flowing, inhibiting, limiting, broke up and it rained down.
Babe, you make me a believer, believer. Babe, you break me down, you build me a believer, believer. Babe, don't let the bullets die, don't let them rain. My life, my love, my Johnny Depp. Babe, you make me a believer, believer. Last things last, by the grace of the fire and the flames. You're the face of the future, the blood in my veins, oh. The blood in my veins, oh. But it never did, I believe, by being flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke up and it rained down. Rained down like. Babe, you made me a believer, believer. Babe, you break me down, you build me a believer, believer. Babe, you let the bullets die, you let them rain. My love, where Johnny came from. Babe, you made me a believer, believer.
So cute! Grabe, maraming salamat sa astig na performance na yan. Kurt, John Ray, and Ian. At bago magdesisyon ang inyong coach, syempre tatanungin muna natin ang mga nag-enjoy din sa performance ninyo. Coach Bamboo.
Boys, congratulations. That was hot, no? That was wicked, right? Give yourselves a hand, all right, everybody? Like, may points sa kata. Lahat kayo parang may ginawa eh. Like Kurt, pagdating ng rap, oh, talagang OG na OG. Talagang simple-simple sa'yo lang, no? Parang, nag-flow. So, kay John Ray, yung power, no? Yun na narinig ko pag kumakanta, yung certain sections, no? Ina-own mo yung mga lines. Pero si Ian, yung composure, yung experience, nakikita ko talaga yung consistency.
Thank you
Diba?
po.
Well, you're welcome. Yun na.
So, Coach Bamboo, para sa'yo sa
Whoa.
battle na to,
Sa battle na to,
sino ang umangat sa kanilang tatlo?
nako, if I was your coach, I would go with experience and consistency. So si Ian ang aning ko. Okay.
Yun naman ay opinion ni Coach Bamboo.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, dito naman tayo kay Coach Sarah.
Lahat talaga kayo, lumaban at nag-shine lahat. Pero kung pipili ako ng isa lang sa inyo, si John Ray. Ayan. Parang yung bumagay sa kanya yung song, yung swag, yung composure, na parang easy lang niya ginawa, kahit na ang hirap nung kanta. So, yun.
Ayan. Thank you very much.
Alright.
Kurt, may pag-asa pa kasi ito na talaga ang magdedesisyon. So, may bumote kay John Ray, kay Ian, pero ang final decision magmumula sa inyong Coach Leia.
Masasabi ko lang sa inyong tatlo, ang gagaling lang ninyong lahat. Ang galing ninyong mag-pick up, ang galing ninyong makinig. Kaya napakasaya ko lang bilang isang coach. Talagang napakalaking pasalamat ko na lang at kayo ang natagpuan ko at kayong naging kasama ko.
Keep on watching The Voice Kids.